In this video, we'll be touring this Pulchritude in this home in Vernia, Texas, which has some very unique features that I haven't seen in a while. So stick around and check it out. Now, the first thing that I want to draw your attention to is this front yard. You'll see that your driveway has easy access to the rear yard, which is fenced, which is very nice because a lot of these homes here in Vernia don't necessarily have that kind of privacy fencing. Also, you've got your two-car garage right there and a beautiful view of your front yard, which is very well landscaped, I have to say. Out front, you do have a beautiful tree right here. I'm not exactly sure what kind of tree that is. I want to say it's some kind of an elm, but you tree guys tell me. It is a little bit windy today, so I apologize if there's any wind noise. Now, this home is a 2025 home, just under 2,600 square feet. And like I said, it has some very unique features that I haven't seen in a while. That is one of them. Now, stepping inside, we'll notice a couple of things. Like I said, it's a 2025, so this home is just about a year old. So you're definitely not seeing any signs of age or wear, and you are definitely seeing some signs of beautiful interior design. Now, that right there is what makes this house so special. I don't know if you noticed it, but there were some security cameras outside, and this house has a whole home surveillance system, which is very neat, especially for those of you who are very security minded. I will say my first sales job was selling ADT home security services, and I feel like everybody should have home security. So if that's the kind of thing that you're interested in, this house already has that included. Something else that you might want to notice is that a lot of these rooms, I think every single one of these rooms, has its own flat screen TV that's wall mounted. Except this one, that one's floor mounted. And then we'll check this out here in just a little bit, but there's a view to your backyard and one of the second features that I haven't seen in a while on one of these homes. Now guys, like I said, this is just under 2,600 square feet, 4 bed, 2.5 bath. We just checked out 3 of the secondary bathrooms right there. And if you check this out, you have beautiful trade ceilings right there in the living room. I kind of showed you the kitchen a little bit earlier, but I want to spend a little bit more time with this. You have double stacked ovens, very neat. And then you have your stainless steel AI fridge. I don't know if this one actually has AI, but you know, it has that. I don't have the nails like a Mercedes or Range Rover or whatever it is. Range Rover. Here's your pantry right over here. Plenty of storage space for all your snacky snacks. You have your burnerless Bernie thing right there. And your farm style sink with dishwasher right there. Then of course you've got your chandelier for your dining area right over here. And I forgot to mention you have the under cabinet lighting too. Very neat. Now this is the second feature that I said I haven't seen in a while. This is a bug netted enclosed patio. This is perfect for if you want to grill and you don't want to have to deal with those stupid mosquitoes. Those of you who live in Texas already know that the mosquitoes can be atrocious in the summertime. And this is the perfect cure, the perfect defense against your, evening grill cookouts and the mosquitoes just coming after you and all your buddies. So this is perfect. Absolutely wonderful. You've got French doors leading to the backyard. Let's check out the backyard real quick. Is it just, yeah, there we go. Now this home sits on an acre. Vernia is known for its wide, sprawling backyards. And like I said, the entire acre is privacy fenced, or at least the entire backyard of your acre. The front yard obviously isn't going to be. Here's your backyard. Now guys, if y'all are liking this home tour, then be sure to like and subscribe. It helps me out and lets you bring you more of these home tours. And if you want to have your home featured, then just shoot me an email. My contact info is in the channel description. Like I said, your driveway has easy access to the backyard. So if you want to park a trailer back here, if you want to park your RV back here, if you want to park, your boat, or shoot, if you're a business owner and you have to park trucks or something like that, look at this. You got all this space right here. You can let the kids run around back here. It's perfect. If you're like me, I grew up in the hill country, right? Like I grew up on 5 acres. And then my family bought 16 acres. And then when I finally became an adult, I bought 5 acres. So if you're anything like me, having some acreage that you can actually call your own is definitely a huge plus. Oh shoot, I didn't even notice that. Is that a projector? Is that a projector? You tell me, I don't know. I didn't see anything in the listing about a projector, but who knows, maybe that's an extra plus. You could have like a white wall right there, and you could have like projector nights in the spring and fall. You know, like you could have your whole like movie setup out here. That'd be pretty neat. You could have like a little cookout too. And look, security camera everywhere. Big Brother's watching. Stepping back inside, let me show you the other half of this house. Now coming this way is your primary. Again, you have trade ceilings, and keeping true with the rest of the house, you have your flat screen TV. And check this out. I want to show you something. Security panel. Security panel. Security panel. You've got a lot of security panels in here. I've never seen 3 on a single system before. Here's your washroom with your folding area right here. Like you can put all your laundry right there when you're trying to fold it. I will say, like, my house doesn't have that, and so when we fold the laundry, we have to fold it on the couch, and it sucks. So this is a huge plus. Cabinets, great. You can store all your Tide and Dawn and all your other junk. This is your primary closet. Now, this is one of the big pluses about this layout is your primary bedroom's closet walks right into your washroom. So if you're having to do laundry all the time, you're not having to drag it, lug it halfway across the house. Here's your primary bathroom. Again, you have the same solid surface countertops throughout with, I guess you could call this black. It's not really burnished bronze. And you have the medicine cabinet too. Like, look at that. When was the last time you saw a medicine cabinet in a modern home? Here's your water closet. So you have privacy when you're going potty. And then you've got your designer tub right there with the privacy window right above it. Here's your walk-in shower. And I mean, I like it. Like, look at this. You've even got like the Riverstone finish out at the bottom there. So that's pretty neat. And then here you've got like a smaller closet. So this is probably going to be, you know, the guy closet, his closet, and then that one that we walked through over there. This will be the ladies' closet, because like you need that whole row for the shoes, you need that whole row for the tops and bottoms, and then you need that for the dresses, and then you need this for like the purses and all that. So, you know, they thought it out perfectly. They laid it out perfectly. So coming back this way, let's show you the rest of the house. You have a nice little half bath right here. This is pretty handy right off of the kitchen. That way, if you have guests that need to use the potty, easy access right there. Also, you have, I didn't really show it to you, but you've got your mud area right there. Like your living room's right over, or not your living room, your garage is right over here. Then you have your, you know, boot rack, coat rack, all that right here. So that's really handy having it right across from your garage. This is a 2-car garage. There's stuff in there, so I'm not going to show that to you right now, but just know that there is a pretty neat 2-car garage in there as well. Pretty standard. I got to say, I love the interior accents that they put in this home. And if you like unique features like that, like, look at that. It's watching me. Like right there, you've got me. You've got, I think this is one of the backyard, you know, you have the front door, the right side backyard driveway, right side front. You can see my car parked out right there. You can see my parked car again, and then you've got the driveway right here. So, I mean, if you're in witness protection or something, this is definitely what you're looking for. And then I forgot to show this to you as well. Check out this study. You've got the cathedral style ceiling, as well as a beautiful view to the front yard, and tons of windows too. So you have not only these 4, but you have the transom windows here. Now, I can't remember if I told you the price on this house. If I have already, then sorry, this is this is the reveal. This house is listed right now at $660 or $659, which honestly is pretty big steal for Vernia, an acre, 2025 build, 2,600 square feet, with all of the features that it has.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that home tour. If you want to see another one just like this, then go ahead and click this video and I'll see you there.